You forgot your BitLocker password, lost your BitLocker recovery key, and your computer or laptop is locked. None of the methods you've tried helped, and now you don't know what else to do to gain access to your computer. Don't worry, watch carefully, repeat all my actions after me, and we'll solve this problem together. To remove BitLocker from C drive, we will install Windows 10 or Windows 11 on the computer in such a way that there will be no trace of the old Windows and BitLocker encryption left on C drive. The start of the Windows 10 installation is different from the installation of the new Windows 11, and so that you understand everything in detail, first I will show the installation of Windows 10, then I will show the start of the installation of Windows 11, and for this I will use two bootable USB flash drives, Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you do not have such a flash drive, you can ask your relative or friend, or you can make such a flash drive yourself, but for this you need another computer or laptop. Making a flash drive will be completely free. You will find a link to the video on how to make a bootable USB flash drive for Windows in the description of the video. Okay, let's start installing Windows 10, and if any of you have a bootable USB flash drive of Windows 11 of an earlier version, then the beginning of the installation for you will be the same as installing Windows 10. Connect this USB flash drive or Windows DVD to your computer, and restart your computer. Immediately after the start of the reboot, continuously press a certain key on the keyboard to bring up the boot menu. I press the F12 key, for you it could be EB, F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens, find the installation USB flash drive or DVD in the boot menu, press Enter. The installation menu opens. I'm not changing anything here. Next. Install now. Here you need to enter the activation key. I previously had Windows 10 Pro installed on my computer, but now I do not need to enter the product key, since the activation of the new Windows 10 Pro will be performed automatically according to my digital license. I click, I don't have a product key. If you had Windows Home, choose Windows 10 Home. If you had Windows Pro, choose Windows 10 Pro. This way you will keep your Microsoft license. Here I choose Windows 10 Pro. Next. I accept the terms of the license. Next. Click here to continue with the installation. In this window, we see all the partitions and drives connected to the computer. Here I have a partition with the old Windows and 3 small system partitions. To completely remove old Windows files and remove BitLocker encryption data, all 4 of these partitions must be deleted. For this I mark each partition, and click Delete. Perhaps, in addition to the disk with Windows, a second disk is connected to your computer as a file storage, then you should not do anything with the second disk under any circumstances, so as not to lose personal files. Okay, all old partitions are deleted. We are left with only one disk with unallocated space, and now we can start installing Windows 10 on this disk. Next. Windows 10 installation has begun. I hope that everything went well for you too. Okay, now I will show you how to start installing the new Windows 11. The first few steps will be exactly the same as when installing Windows 10. Boot the computer from the Windows 11 installation flash drive and wait for the Windows installation menu to open. The installation menu opens. I'm not changing anything here. Next. Next. Install now. Next. Here you need to enter the activation key. I had Windows 10 installed on my computer before, so I don't need to enter the product key, and the new Windows 11 will be activated automatically. I click, I don't have a product key. If you had Windows Home, choose Windows 11 Home. If you had Windows Pro, choose Windows 11 Pro. This way you will keep your Microsoft license. Since I had Windows 10 Pro on my computer, I choose Windows 11 Pro. Next. I accept the terms of the license. Accept. In this window we see a partition with the old Windows and 4 small system partitions, and at the very bottom there is a bootable Windows 11 flash drive. To completely remove the old Windows files and BitLocker encryption, before installing the new Windows all these partitions must be deleted. To do this, I mark each partition, and click Delete. All old partitions have been successfully deleted, and instead of the old Windows we see only one partition with unallocated space and my flash drive. Next, you can now proceed with installing Windows 11 on your computer. Click Install. For some time we will not have to do anything, the computer will automatically reboot several times. For those of you who found this video useful and liked it, please support it with a like and a subscription to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell. See you soon on my channel, and have a nice day everyone.